What's up, Mamuntag sa inyo tanan? Mamuntag.
Mamuntag, beshes. We're back!
We're back on the road. Sige, after 3.5 months.
I mean, we've been back a little bit in that time. But anyway, we're gonna go do some stuff. I'm sorry, out of practice with the camera. I can't hold it any longer.
So basically, we just found out that we are able to go on hikes.
Yeah.
As of like 2 weeks or a month ago. I'm not really sure.
Know.
And today we're gonna go to a waterfall. It's probably Palaypay Falls. So there are two waterfalls over there. We're gonna go check out. Don't think there's gonna be anyone around, so that's why we're going social distancing. Because as you can see, there's no social distancing here.
Look at this!
Basta na sa syudad.
Oh, whoops! Sorry, hit the screen.
It's gonna take us a while just to get out of the city, the main part.
I just want Macdo.
Gonna get some Macdo. Let's go.
Ooh, bye bye.
Can I get one McChicken burger meal, please?
Chicken sandwich.
One McChicken medium meal, please.
Sorry, sir.
One
piece chicken.
One McChicken medium meal, please.
Chicken.
Give us a lowdown.
Alright. So we have a recent discovery here at McDonald's, Mickey D's. Macca's, they have fish and chips, which seems sketchy, but honestly, pretty good. So if you're in the Philippines and you're craving some fish and chips, come check them out.
For all those Aussies or Kiwis or Poms.
Not sponsored by Macdo. If you want to sponsor us, I'm not gonna plan.
That'll be a big sponsorship.
We're gonna eat this on the way to the waterfall. Ta-da!
Excuse me. Oh no!
All right, so we arrived here at the entrance of the hike going to Palaypay Falls. If you want to come here, just type in Palaypay Falls on Google Maps. But we got our masks. And we are very social distancing right now because there's no one here. Zoe's distracted with the puppy, of course. Reminder, she just got rabies shots 3 months ago for playing with puppies. Hey.
Don't be rude. Your mama is nice. Hi. Oh no. Mama's good. Are you gonna come with us? Come on.
More animals in Zoe Zoo.
Push, you're a handsome cat. I'm not gonna look like you.
What are you doing? Bawal. Alright, so when you arrive to this house, take a left turn. Go up this mountain, I believe. Maybe. We're also lost.
But we have tracking dog.
Every time we do a hike, Zoe forgets her inhaler. So that's good. Okay, raga. So we were gonna continue the path this way, but our pups told us to go this way, so.
We'll listen to the dogs.
Do you have faith in your dogs?
I do. But maybe they think that we want to go somewhere else.
Tanawa, ang walking stick ni Ma'am Joey.
I was gonna use it to protect my dogs against other dogs.
Alright, Palaypay Falls. Wow.
The girl's like, well, we're here. Let us now. You let us here.
This is our tour guide. Oh, gutom. Gutom mga itoy.
Girl, you take us here?
So supposedly there's another falls behind the main waterfall here at Palaypay, so we're gonna go look for that after we take a quick dip here. Diba? But so far I'm liking what I see. So we explored the first two falls, and in the back they have another one that I saw from my drone. So we're gonna hike this little hill, go to the other side and check it out. So far so sick. So you gonna jump later?
Oh, maybe just from there.
When we made some friends, they're from Bayawan down there. They don't know that we speak Bisaya yet, so later we're gonna bust out some Bisaya and surprise them.
English only prank.
English only prank. So pretty sketchy hike. Getting over to the other side. Climbing up here. Scaling the mountain, aka whatever this is called. Whew, very nice. So that is the first falls. Second, third, and maybe in the back there's some falls too, I don't know. I don't know if you can hear me, but Zoe's trying to get to the big rock. Kinda sketchy. Do it for the gram, baby. Sige, so humana kami diri sa Palaypay Falls. Kumusta naman? Astig?
Okay.
First time ninyo?
Yeah.
First time po na mo. So, grabe.
From Bayawan.
Bayawan, taga Bayawan. Ayos. Ikaw, taga Saga.
Kamigan.
Hey, budots. Sige, so we just met our friends. They're super nice. They just ended up here. Rowie? Loie. Og?
I'm Zoe.
Rexon.
Rexon. Zoe. Kaloy. Ako si Kaloy.
Kaloy.
Yes. Alright, so we're done here at the falls. Super sick. Probably my favorite falls in the Philippines.
I think so. It's a big cold, but I think it's my favorite.
At least top 3 for sure.
It's so blue but so orange. Wow.
Yes, perfect combination. But we're done swimming here, so we're gonna head back to Dumaguete probably, or go find some food. So, ta-da. Good girl. Good. Come here. Good girl. Honestly, this dog's super impressive. She brought us all the way to the falls, and then she brought us all the way back to our car and stopped here as our guide. Such a good dog. I don't know how she knew this was our car because she didn't pick us up here. All right, so we're back. We're back in our Airbnb. We're gonna check up on Nuck, aka our kitty, see how he did.
Knock. Gotta move back. Oh, you're under the door. Hi. Hello. I missed you.
Sige, mabuhay sa usa pa ka episode sa Kaloi's Kitchen. Welcome to another episode of Kaloi's Kitchen with your host, Zoe Pallier. All right, so what are you cooking tonight, Zoe?
Pasta.
Unsa na pasta? Sige na.
Joking.
What was that?
Onion. Where it's just tomato pasta, but with chicken, because I don't eat not chicken.
So, ingredients: chicken,
Chicken.
pasta, tomatoes, onions, garlic. Is that it?
Sauce.
Oh, Italian?
This if you want. But I like to add these two.
What is it?
Italian and oregano.
Yes.
Oregano. And
So you just halo after the noodles?
Yeah, I just add it. I don't know how much. I just put it in.
Alright, we'll show you the finished product. Pagkahuman. This is how Zoe cuts her onions.
Hey, Mum, look at me. The fact that I'm cutting onion is amazing. I usually hate onion, but I found I like it with this pasta dish.
It adds a little texture.
But I hate it. My eyes are very sensitive because I'm blind. That's not why. I just don't like onion.
Boom! Alright, this is the finished product.
I got the forks.
She calls it tomato pasta.
Polo pasta.
Fettuccine. Polo is chicken.
Pollo. Pollo. Alright, so this is it. It's gonna be very delicious. Basta si Ma'am Joy nagluto. She's become quite the chef during this quarantine. Anywhere from Italian to Filipino. She does it all. You name it.
Good old Avo on toast.
Yes.
Come out now. But not too much.
So that is the vlog. It's been super nice getting back to adventure. Hopefully there's more in store. Ding. Plastic. Sige, so salamat sa pagtanaw.
Og ampi mo tanan.
Woo!
Bye.
Knock.
Saba.
Saba.